In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off tracking prevention in Microsoft Edge. If a site you trust isn't working correctly, or you need to test analytics and ads without filters, temporarily disabling Edge's tracking prevention can help. I'll walk you through the exact path and explain what each screen means so you know precisely what you're changing. Start by launching Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can open it from your taskbar, Start menu, or Applications folder, whatever you normally use. Once Edge is open, look toward the top right corner of the window for the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. Click it to open a drop-down panel with a list of options. From that menu, choose Settings. Edge will open a dedicated Settings tab, which is where all browser controls live. On the left side of this tab, you'll see a vertical sidebar with different categories. Click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section groups together privacy controls, tracking preferences, and related features, so it's the right place for what we're doing. In the main area of the page, find the section labeled Tracking Prevention. This is Edge's built-in system that limits how sites and third parties can track your activity across the web. By default, many installations use balanced protection, and you may also see options like Basic or Strict. To turn it off entirely, locate the toggle at the top of that section and switch it to Off. When the toggle is off, Edge stops applying its tracking prevention rules, which can resolve issues like broken sign-ins, missing embedded content, or measurement tools not firing. A quick note on what this means. Turning tracking prevention off can increase how much data websites and advertisers collect about your browsing across sites. If privacy is a concern, consider keeping it off only as long as necessary. The change takes effect right away. If you already have a page open that was misbehaving, simply reload that page to let it pick up the new setting. Other extensions you use, like ad blockers, continue to work independently. If you ever want to restore protection, come back to this same Privacy, Search, and Services page and turn the tracking prevention toggle back on, then pick the level that fits your needs. And that's it. You've successfully turned off tracking prevention in Microsoft Edge quickly and safely. Remember to turn it back on when you're done testing.